Hello students, welcome to the class 7th standard mathematics. Today we shall learn exercise 2.1 question number 5. The diameter of the bullock cart wheel is 1.4 meter. Find the distance covered by it in 150 rotations. So in the question they have given diameter of the bullock cart wheel. So wheel is in the shape of circle, okay, and they are asking us find the distance covered by it in 150 rotation. So they are asking the distance to find it out. In the bullock cart wheel, the diameter is 1.4 meter. So we can write it d equal to 1.4 meter. We could write it. Now, to find a solution for this problem, we need to understand the question. So they have given diameter of the wheel and they are asking us to find the distance covered by it in 150 rotation, which means the circle or the wheel rotates for the 150 times. So when it moves 150 times, next we need to find the distance of the wheel covered by it. So for this we need to find the one rotation, which means circumference of the circle. If it starts from this point A, then again it comes and ends at A. So therefore one rotation we need to find it out. So we can say it one rotation. Or we could say circumference of the circle. Or we could say circumference of the wheel. Here they have given the diameter. For this we have a formula that is pi d units, isn't it? So therefore we could substitute 22 by 7. Then the d value is given 1.4. So if we divide it by 7 table, we get 2 sevens are 14. Then put 2. Then there is a 1 digit. So move the 1 digit. Then you will get 0.2. So therefore 22 into 0.2, product of this you will get 4. Then if you multiply with 0, you will get 0. There is only one digit in the decimal number. So if we move the decimal to the 1 point, then we will get 04.4, which means 4.4, which is the circumference of the wheel. The given unit is meter. Now we got the one rotation. Now we need to find it out the 150 rotation. So therefore 150 times of rotation is equal to, we can multiply the circumference of the wheel, that is circumference of the wheel into 150. Then circumference of the wheel is 4.4 meter into 150. So product of 4.4 into 150 we can do 44 into 150. Then we get 660 meter. So we could write it in the given words, the distance covered by it in 150 rotation. So we could write the distance covered by the wheel for 150 rotations. So we could write that is 660 meter. Now the sixth question is, a ground is in the form of a circle. Clear? Whose diameter is 350 meter. So its diameter is 350 meter. An athlete makes 4 revolutions. Find the distance covered by the athlete. So what do you mean by revolution? It is also type of rotation, or you could say moving around the given area. So therefore the athletes moves from this point and covers it and ends it again the same point. Okay, so therefore in this way he moves 4 times, that is 4 revolutions. Now we need to find the distance covered by the athlete. So here, like a previous sum, we need to find the circumference of the circle or 1 revolution. Circumference of the circle. So which is a ground. Okay. So for this formula, we have a diameter, so we can use pi d units. So 22 by 7 into d value is 350. So if we use the given 7 table, then 5 sevens are 35, then remaining 0 will be here. Then 22 into 50, if we take 22 into 50, so we get 5 twos are 10, carry the 1, 5 twos are 10 plus 11. So 0, 0, 1, 1. So therefore, so one time rotation or one time revolution we could say, that means circumference of the circle is 1100 meter. Clear? Now they have asked 4 times if athlete make 4 revolutions, then we need to find, that is for the 4 revolutions. Or it could say distance covered by an athlete. So we could say that is circumference into number of rotation or number of revolutions we could see. So circumference is 1100 and number of rotation is 4. So if you multiply, we get 4400. The unit is meter. So we could say this is the final answer for this problem. 7th question. A wire of length 1320 cm is made into circular frames of radius 7 cm each. How many frames can be made? So in this question they have given length of the wire they have given. So in the length of the wire 1320 centimeter, they are cutting the wire and creating the circle which has the radius of 7 centimeter. So the radius is given, that is 7 centimeter is given. Now likewise, if they cut the wire, how many frames can be made? So therefore, to find the how many frames, let's find the circumference of one circle or of a circle. that is 2 pi r units, because here they have given r value, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into r value is 7. Now 7 can be cancelled, then the remaining value is 44. The unit is centimeter. So circumference of the circle which has a 7 centimeter radius. So that is the one of the circle. So you could write circumference of the one circle 44 centimeter. Now we need to find how many frames can be made. So to find number of frames, we need to divide. So therefore we could write total length of the wire divided by its circumference. So therefore total length of the wire is 1320. Circumference of the circle is 44. Then if we divide it, so we can divide it by 2 table. Then we get 22. Here we get 6 times. Then balance 1 will become 12. Then again you will get 6. The balance 0 will get 660. If we divide it by 11 table, will get 2. Here we get 60. Then if we divide it by 2 table, we get 30. Then 30. So number of frames is equal to 30. So therefore 30 number of frames can be made in this wire. 8th question. A rose garden is in the form of a circle of radius 63 meter. The gardener wants to fence it at the rate of rupees 150 per meter. Find the cost of fencing. Here rose garden is in the form of circle. Its radius is 63 meter. Now gardener wants to fence it. How he will fence it? He will fence around the circle, isn't it? So around the circle refers the circumference of the circle. So therefore we need to find circumference. So we need to find the circumference, and then the distance or the value of the circumference we can multiply with the rate of rupees 150, which is meant for per meter. So before that, let's find the circumference. When radius is given, we will use 2 pi r units formula. So therefore 2 into 22 by 7 into 63. So if we divide it by 7 table, then we could write 9 sevens are 63. Then 44 into 9 we get 396. The unit is meter. So for 396 meter, he need to fence it, isn't it? So circumference of the circle is 396 meter. Now he spends the rupees 150 money per meter. So cost of fencing, we could write per meter is rupees 150. For 396 meters, how much we get? So 150 into 396. So multiplication of this value we could do here, 150 into 396. So product of these two numbers we get 59,400. So therefore he spends rupees 59,400. So we could write cost of fencing for 396 meters is equal to rupees 59,400.